Welcome to my channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can post a story on your Instagram account from your Android and iOS mobile phone. So the process for both Android and iOS is same. So for that, just go to your Instagram app on your mobile phone. Just open it, and as you can see, this is my profile here. So on the top of the right corner you can see two options here. First one is plus and second one is messenger. So just click on plus option here. So here you can see new post. If you want to upload a post, just click on post. You can see downside post, story, reels here. So just click on post. If you want to upload a story, then just click on second option, upload a story. If you want to add a pic from your gallery, then just click on gallery option downside here. You can see gallery option. Just choose the picture you want to upload as your story here. So you can see this is the story I want to upload here. So after that, on the top side you can see lots of options here. So if you want to add anything, just click on AA option. You can see AA. Just type anything you want here, then just click on done option here. So you can just scroll up or scroll down this funds here, and after that just click on send to. So after that you can see option stories close friends. So just click on stories share option here and just click on done option. So here you can see, just wait a few seconds and just click on your story here. You can see that your story is uploaded right now. So just click here and you can see this is my story here. So this is how you can upload a story from your Instagram account. So if you like this video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos like this. See you again in next video.